guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my monthly favorites series. For those who are unaware, I always post my monthly favorites at the end of every month. This video will consist of all my favorites, whether it's makeup, clothing, shoes, lifestyle, of course, products from Amazon, literally anything that benefits me, or I think it's cool, or maybe I think you might get a kick out of it, even a just because. I truly love to film these videos because I like to discover new things that people recommend to me, or literally just something I stumble upon. So if you guys like videos like these, then consider subscribing. I don't know if you can tell from the high pitch of my voice. I'm pretty stoked. So one, I haven't sat here in quite some time to film an actual video. Well, let me just tell you a quick fun fact. It's been 2 days and I filmed 6 videos. So yes, this is the third retake video for my favorites video. Believe it or not, this makeup look is the third makeup look for another video that I was trying to film. Long story short, I basically messed around with my camera. I don't know what I did. I think I changed the settings or something, but the filming was great. Viewfinder looked great. I replayed on my camera, looked great. Once I put it in the computer to check out the footage, it was still great. It was just so grainy. In addition to the 6 videos that I filmed in the last 2 days, I haven't filmed much. Yes, I'm aware of that. I'm not making any excuses because I do like to film videos. I'm gonna be honest, I kind of was like literally stuck in a rut. I probably said that before, but this time I was like really stuck in a rut. I don't know what it is. The content just wasn't there. So prior to this, I've been sitting in my room contemplating what type of videos I wanted to film for you guys. Of course, I wanted something new, something interesting. Sat here, looked around, thinking and thinking and thinking and thinking. It was time for a little reorganization. Not saying this place is dirty. There was just some cluttered things that I really didn't need. So with that said, I decided to change up my setting station. It was literally stationed in the center of the room. I don't know if you can tell, I'm a little further out. My lighting situation, my mic, my viewfinder, my other light there. There's just so many things here. I don't even know if you can even tell or not, but basically, I feel the difference. I'm loving it. And also, I need to stop like clapping and flailing my arms because I do this all the time and I punch and poke my husband's eye out. I cleaned out my vanity drawers. Oops. I decided to purge the drawers, take things out that I never touched. It was just like a collection of like things. I just had to get rid of it. So anyways, oh, I clapped. So if you are interested, I'll go ahead and put that link down below because I don't think I could put another link on the top anymore, or can I? I'm not sure. I will double check when I edit this video. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking because I got everything off of my chest, literally. See, that was like 1 month of just things built in. This is like therapy session. So my first favorite, I am wearing an MTV t-shirt. I am a 90s baby, or is it 80s? I mean, I was born in the 80s? No. Anyways, growing up in the 90s, how about that? Very nostalgic, love the neon. I remember as a kid, I would always run, probably wouldn't run, but anyways, I would always hurry home because I would always love to watch MTV. And if you grew up in the Bay or in the city, you guys know that channel for MTV was 21? No, 43, because 44 was like the old CW. Prior to that was UB40, no, UB40, what? UB44. No, I don't know. God, it's so long ago. Oh, what is it called? Maybe WB? Okay, wow, sorry. Today I had a really strong cup of green tea matcha, like a latte. I made it myself, so maybe I added too much matcha. Anyways, if you guys love the 90s, grew up in the 90s, love the neon, or you're just reminiscent about the nostalgic times, then please give this video a big thumbs up. I have been into tinted moisturizers, I want to say since this year. Like, I've never been so into a tinted moisturizer as I was this year, if that makes sense. This is a new tinted moisturizer by SMASHBOX. You guys know SMASHBOX is an amazing brand, good for photography makeup, on stage, studio type of makeup. I bet you guys didn't know that they actually are starting to reformulate their products to become a vegan. Yep, I wouldn't say the whole line is completely reformulated to a vegan product, but for sure this one is. This one here is the Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 25. Believe it or not, I am wearing it right now. Woo, 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 woo. This literally gives you a healthy glow. If you look at my complexion, I don't have any highlighter on. This is just the glow from this product. And I have extra concealer on for like that brightening effect, but nothing shimmery. It's literally this guy here. What I like most about this product, it's super lightweight. As you can feel, the texture is so soft. It gives you a light coverage, but it's super long wear. This contains hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. Yes, I said it right. In addition to that amazing list, it has SPF 25. So this is the purpose of my visit to Sephora. I saw this product. It's a new clean line. It's called Item, like an item. So let's talk about this first. You guys know I love brows, and you know I love me a good chunky pencil. So this is a chubby pencil, and what I like about this is that it's waxy, but it's definitely more creamy. And here's the kicker, guys, the spoolie. Now this is not a traditional spoolie, it's a brush with really, really soft hairs, and this totally reminds me of an artiste brush, but a super, super mini one. So after you apply on the pencil, you're gonna use this little brush and blend it out. I know it looks like it's basically blended off of my hand is because when you apply the brow product onto the hair, it's actually going to stick. I don't have any hair, so it's gonna like not be there. But here, let me demonstrate. So I'm just going to feather this on like I normally do. So when I apply it on, it's very waxy but very creamy. And once I use this guy and blend it with my hairs, it literally becomes like a super soft powdery finish. You guys know my brow colors is always by season, so this color is actually perfect for my brows right now. This one here is Neutral Taupe. The lip gloss. Oh my gosh. I have been loving the sheer type of lip plumping type of lip products lately. I mean, I am wearing lip liner and like a lipstick right now, but it still has like that sheer finish. This guy. You guys know I love me a good doe foot applicator, especially when it's super chubby. So it actually is like a wide teardrop that is pretty dense and chubby, but it does have a slight curve. I'm gonna apply this over what I have on just to show you guys. Basically, using the tip of the doe foot applicator actually lines my lip perfectly, and the curve of this doe foot applicator hugs my bottom lip so comfortably. Doesn't my lips look so juicy? When I first smelled this, I didn't know what it was. It smelled like guava or like watermelon. So wrong. It contains all oils. So it has almond oil, which is my favorite. It has jojoba oil, camellia oil, and a whole bunch of shea butter. Wishful. Don't know too much about it, but I do now. So fun fact, did you guys know Wishful is a clean line? Did you guys know that their founder is also in the beauty industry and has a color line? I would have never guessed that the person I'm about to mention has this line, because to be honest, I would have never guessed that the founder is a product that I actually use. So this is Huda Beauty's skincare line, Wishful. I've actually seen this brand before. I've never seen too many of their products in Sephora's, but the only thing I could really remember on the top of my head would be their sheet masks. I remember seeing their sheet masks where it's like a square, obviously they're all squares, but it has like a iridescent kind of rainbowish kind of like pearly abalone shell colored, and that's all I can recall. I learned so much about this product. I'm gonna tell you in just a second. I love Huda Beauty. She has beautiful things. After learning about her products, there was a picture of her and I was like, oh my god, she looks beautiful without any makeup. I mean, I didn't even know that was her at first, to be honest, until that lady at Sephora was like, yeah, this is Huda Beauty. And I'm like, so I was in the market for a new cleansing balm. I always repurchase Pharmacy, cosmetics, Clinique, so I wanted to try something new, and that's when the Sephora lady actually recommended this to me. This is Wishful Clean Genie Cleansing Butter. Mind you, I did not say balm because everything is a cleansing balm. And plus, they didn't have a tester for me, so I couldn't see the texture. So I basically went off of her words and her suggestions, but let me tell you guys, this is so good. It is a cleansing balm. However, it really does own up to its name with the word butter. It is definitely super silky and super buttery. The main ingredient in this is green tea. And did you guys know it controls the production of oils? It helps soothe redness, skin irritation, helps diminish anti-aging. This will help even out the skin tone, and because it's really creamy to soft, it is super hydrating on the skin even after you cleanse your face. I will put a quick clip in here of me melting the makeup off. Sorry, it may not be a great clip of me, it may look a bit crazy, but it definitely does its job. And I think I will be repurchasing this. So let's talk about tools real quick, as in makeup brushes. My dear friend Jocelyn came out with these brushes. Mind you, these are dirty because I just used these, but I'll go ahead and put a clip of the whole set, a little overview of it. I love that she offers different shapes of brushes. As you can see, there's a shadow brush, a taper brush, a blending brush, a pencil brush. You have some face brushes, 3 different types of kabuki brushes. So far, these 2 brushes have been my favorite. I just used this, so I'm gonna put this on my face for demonstration. So we're gonna move on to a sponge because I need to blend this out. This will be the next product. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I totally forgot that I was using this brush to pack on the bronzer after the makeup was on. But prior to that, I was using this brush for just regular powder to set around my chin because it does tend to get oily here. So I was using this to pack it on because it's a pretty dense brush, but it's super soft at the same time. This is just a small shadow flat brush, but I love this for precision and detailing. You guys know I have small little tiny Asian eyes. So when I feel like wearing a smoky eye, this is gonna be perfect for detailing and precision for my tiny little Asian eyes. In addition to the brushes, I actually got some new sponges. Now, ECOTOOLS is not a new brand to me. I've always used their brands for like sponges, majority sponges. They do have some brushes, and I also use their shampoo cleaning brushes when I'm giving my brushes a deep cleanse once a week. These look like little heart shapes, but it's basic. I lost some of the footage of this sponge clip, so I'm just going to briefly tell you. So it is like a heart shape. What I like about this is that you can use the edge like a regular wedge. It's really easy to work around the curve under your eyes. And when you want to blend, I turn around to the rounded area and I just do little tapping motions. The angles and edges of this sponge is really precise to do any carvings or, you know, sculpting out the face really well. I purchased this shoe back in spring, and just by looking at these are like totally fall shoes. The color, chunky heel, but this is also so very 90s too. You got that pointy toe here, the suede going on, the sling back, and that chunky little heel. Because of the color, I feel like it's more fall, but you know I was rocking this in the spring and the summer. I feel like this could be worn with anything. Denim jeans, skirts, dresses, even like shorts. So cute, even like sundresses. See, I'm so ready for fall, guys. This is by COLEHAN. I got this at Nordstrom's. If it's still around, you guys know I'll put that down in the info box for you guys. This is so comfy and I love the color. So the last favorite I have is this shirt. I love this, it's so comfortable, it's cozy. It is a long sleeve shirt. What I really like about this is the back of the shirt. It has like a cute little corset kind of style, but it just goes mid-back only. It's not a super fitted or snug shirt. It's like flowy, but just kind of like tapered in the right places. Believe it or not, this is actually a workout shirt, but I really like the material of it. I think it is. I'm not sure. What is this called? Oh yeah, Balance Collection. It's definitely a workout shirt, but I love. I can see myself wearing this with some denim jeans, maybe some flared ones, because you guys know that style is coming back, so don't say anything. With those wedges. How cute was that? See guys, I am so ready for fall. And that is it for my monthly favorites, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that long intro explanation of myself. And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next favorites. See you guys later.